Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Air traffic controllers are restive this evening as wage talks ended abruptly today at the Labor Ministry. The Jamaica Air Traffic Controllers Association says it cannot guarantee normality at the country's international airport starting this weekend. The union is discussing with its members what action to take. President of the JATCA, Kurt Solomon, this afternoon confirmed with our news center that the members are uneasy over the slow pace of negotiations to settle its wage claims. Mr. Solomon says air traffic controllers will step up pressure to get an agreement from the government. And of course, we'll continue to track that story. Meanwhile, still in aviation news, bad weather is impacting some inbound flights from North America. MBJ Airports Limited, operators of the Sangster International Airport, have advised that the United Airlines as well as JetBlue have both cancelled and delayed various flights coming in due to bad weather. These flights were scheduled for tomorrow. Now, travelers are advised to check the airport's website for updates. On to news in the banking sector, Sagicor is now offering a special loan facility geared towards medium-sized businesses in the manufacturing and agro-processing sectors. Sagicor's manufacturing and agro-processing loan is offering a pool of 1 billion Jamaican dollars for businesses in this sector to retool and expand. Eligible businesses can borrow a maximum of 50 million Jamaican dollars with an interest rate of 5% per annum. They will have up to 12 years to repay. The facility becomes available on February 1. Caribbean Cement Company has decided to pay 2% of its net earnings to parent company Cemex. At Caribbean Cement's annual general meeting on December 7, shareholders agreed that effective January 1, the company would pay an annual fee of up to 4% to Cemex. This is to compensate them for use of trademarks as well as financial and operational expertise. Cemex says the agreement to give up 2% of revenues is standard in various parent company and subsidiary agreements. Caribbean Cement justifies the payment, attributing the company's financial turnaround to Cemex's intervention. Minority shareholders have, however, expressed dissatisfaction with the decision, which will see revenue being directed from the company. And on the currency market today, the Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign currency market for the 6th time since the start of the year. The central bank offered up $40 million in a flash sale this morning. 6 banks and 5 cambios were successful in their bid. National Commercial Bank, JMB Bank, JMB Securities, and Grace Kennedy Currency Trading Services received the majority share. This brings to a total $190 million the sum pumped into the market by the Bank of Jamaica since the start of 2022. And at the end of trading today and after 2 consecutive days of intervention, banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $156.78. $124.52 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $211 for the pound, and the euro is costing an average $177.33. And the JSE index gained 3,295 points today, while the junior market index gained 26 points. Among today's winners were Caribbean producers Jamaica CPJ, Jetcon Corporation, Dolphin Cove, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Spurtree Spices Jamaica, while on the losing side were Margaritaville Turks, Stanley Motor, JMB Group's 6% US dollar shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Iron Rock Insurance Company. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.